Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Some of you want to know why the city is replacing concrete on our roads that was recently replaced. Well, there's a good explanation. We don't replace newly installed concrete unless it fails to meet city standards. These repairs are at the cost of the contractor when the failures occur within the first 2 years. Much of our infrastructure, from street pavement to water and sewer pipes, was installed decades ago. Those older elements need repair and in some cases replacement. On some of our streets, like Parker Road, underground utilities like water lines need replacement before the road is repaired. In this case, the cast iron water main in Parker Road, located beneath the pavement, needed to be replaced. After replacing underground utilities, the concrete is poured back so the roadway can be reopened. The water main portion of the project is finished, and most of the left lane has new concrete from those repairs. A concrete repair contractor is now focused on removing and replacing the remaining deteriorated sections of concrete in the other lanes. In a few locations, crews may need to remove new concrete where trenches were dug for fire hydrant and water line connections to connecting streets. Here's an example. If a small 3 by 5 foot section was poured for a fire hydrant line, the pavement on either side of the trench will need replacement. So that small concrete section will be removed to accommodate a full panel replacement, eliminating joints where water can damage concrete and providing a smoother, longer-lasting roadway. The bottom line, the city is not replacing perfectly good concrete that's recently been poured unless there's a valid reason. We're improving our roads so they'll last decades into the future to give you a safer and smoother ride. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.